We back.
We're back. We're gonna be reacting to Travis Scott, Drake,
Meltdown. This is the one with the lyrics. So yeah, let's see. I heard some stuff. I want to hear for myself.
Yeah. Tensions is definitely rising. Teed up right now.
I've never heard someone say I'm teed up. What does that mean? I'm tensioned up. What does it mean?
He's wearing a t-shirt. I don't know.
I doubt.
It's Drake.
Tea time. Tea time. Tea time, tea time, tea time. Tea time like I got a cup of this shit. Tea time like golf at 5:45. I love the fuck on.
I like this. I like this flow. I like this flow. See what happens when you rap, Drake?
No regular bitch. Famous hoes lame, but they stay on my dick. Heard your new joint is embarrassing shit. You talk to the cops on some therapist shit. You act like you love
Why does Drake? Never mind.
this American shit, but really the truth is you're scared of the six. Yeah, you're scared of the six. Yeah, you're scared of the six. Your bodyguard put in some work on the flute. Now you wanna go and inherit the shit. Don't talk to the boy about comparison shit, or come to the boy on some arrogant shit. The weapons we got is some terrorist shit.
This flow.
It's nice, huh?
This flow.
No. It's like lazy but effective.
Yeah.
No. Like, and it's nice because it's melodic.
Like Drake. See what happens when you rap. Stop with the accents.
I don't
Stop the accents.
I don't
Stop
like
the
this bad
singing.
about Drake.
Stop the being a culture vulture and
Because
rapping in Spanish or
Drake throws stones and hides his hands.
yeah, his biggest
That's the problem.
Yeah, his biggest problem is
He never follows
subliminal-
through.
Yeah, it's the subliminal diss.
I don't care about being subliminal. You can be subliminal, but he doesn't follow through. Because he'll say shit, then he says he's losing, then he's gonna go some. I'm choosing peace, or I'm focusing on bigger things. Like, he's that type of guy.
Yeah, especially with this whole Pusha T thing.
You act like you love this American shit, but really the truth is you're scared of the six. Yeah, you're scared of the six. Yeah, you're scared of the six. Your bodyguard put in some work on the flute. Now you wanna go and inherit the shit. Don't talk to the boy about comparison shit, or come to the boy on some arrogant shit. The weapons we got is some terrorist shit. Like TV producers, we airing the shit.
Like TV producers with
He's lying. Why is he lying? That's what I don't like about Drake. He does not have this type of background. Why does he? I don't understand people who want to talk like this. Literally for no reason. The best thing you could say is like, I'm not a gangster, but if you fuck with me, I'll shoot you. But that's like, okay, I understand. We have a gun. But we airing things. Where and when? His bodyguards are probably even cops. I don't know why he talks
but
like
he
this.
was a TV actor, so he's also airing the shit.
I saw someone.
He's also
Okay, yeah,
tape.
yeah, I know. But I saw someone say like Drake is the king of imitation because he actually an actor before a rapper. So I saw something like they're referencing how he stole. Remember who's that kid who got killed? XX Temptation. Apparently they were supposed to work and Drake put out a week. Like XX Temptation talked about it before he died. Like it stole his flow or some shit like that.
No, I know that's what you're talking about.
Shit. She asking for bread for her parents and shit. I told her I don't got no cash and she said she could wait on a rack on some Arabic shit. I pull out $1 million to stare at the shit. My dick just got hard cause a wire just hit. My schedule was out, come spinners for real. Man, fuck all that spinning and narrative shit. I melt down the chains that I bought from your boss. Give a fuck about all of that heritage shit. Since we not around,
I'm not down the chase I bought from your boss. Give a fuck about all that heritage shit. Jesus Christ.
the chains that I bought from your boss. Give a fuck about all of that heritage shit. Since we not around, the members done hung up the Louis. They not even wearing that shit. Don't come to the boy about repairing some shit. Don't come to the boy about sparing some shit. You lucky that Vogue was suing, cause I would've been with the Wassers in Paris and shit. Is you fucking crazy? Is you fucking crazy?
And they scared of the 7. After 1-3, then we turn up 11. Keep the shit open like 7-Eleven. We at the house, I got 7 in heaven. They think I'm satanic, I keep me a rebel. Lil' shorty a therapist, Papa is here. She ushered my way, then she started confessing. I know it's at stake, I'm screaming free Jeffrey. Connect, collect calls right off of the celly.
Why are you screaming free Jeffrey?
Oh, Young Thug.
A lot of people died because of that shit.
Apparently, the murder rate is down by 37% in Atlanta since they've been locked up.
Good for them. Like, why are you screaming free
Young Thug
Jeffrey?
is not coming out. I'm sorry. He's not coming out.
Okay, it's gonna surprise you. Melly just got a mistrial.
Aye.
If Melly can get a mistrial, he's still gonna be in jail, but
He's not coming out. I'm giving him at least 15 to 20 years before he comes out. Young Thug.
Doug. I think he'll do 7. For some reason, I have a 7 in my head.
Why even YNW made he's not coming out, by the way.
Yeah, his only problem is that he's facing 2 death sentences.
Exactly, he's not coming out.
If it was like 25, he would probably be out. He probably would have given bail.
He's not coming out.
Confessing, I know it's at stake. I'm screaming free Jeffrey, connect, collect calls right off of the celly. Gave her the blues, not talking about belly. Don't keep it sincere, I go Machiavelli. I got the juice now, it's heavy. Always on tea time, been ready.
I like the wordplay.
No.
The juice, Machiavelli. What's the other reference? What's that other Tupac?
Always on tea time, been ready. Yeah. Is you fucking crazy? Is you rapping the keys? Wrap around me cause I'm got property. Chocolate AP and chocolate the V's. Got the Willy Wonka factory. Burn that athlete like it's calories. Find another flame out as me. Bitch.
Yeah, is you fucking crazy? 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 Is you fucking crazy?
I'm in the Texas boys and ran it up a couple maybe. Swinging in the pickup truck. Baby, fuck Mercedes. I fuck a nigga bitch, but she can't have a baby. I shoot your ass a wall, my like on a baby. The boy going light.
What a lazy line. That's such a lazy
Yeah,
line.
it is.
That line was so lazy. Jesus
Not
Christ.
even lazy. It's lazy on every aspect. The rhyme, the idea, the creativeness. It's just a simile. Basically, it's just a simile.
Like, Jesus
So
Christ.
do it, Mama,
Could
look
have
up
said
the
like
baby.
what Lil Durk said. At least that.
I can't even
Like-
make it interesting.
I'm not just a rapper. I'm like the baby. You play with me, you gonna get something like that. Like you in Walmart, it's in the trolley. You shopping with it. Like something smart. Like
Had a baby. I shoot your ass a wall, my like on a baby. The boy going light on Messi, I go Tom Brady. You
That
well,
is a dip.
yeah.
It's a dip.
Lionel
Your boy
Messi,
going Lionel Messi. My guy, Lionel Messi,
he's the goat.
gold, highest paid. He's now playing in the States. This is like he played in the Spanish League, La Liga. Then he played in PSG, France. Now he's in Miami, filling up stadiums.
Americans need to stop acting like soccer is not the biggest sport. Football is only big to you guys. Like stop acting
It's
like
not even that is big to you guys. You're the only guys that play it. That's the thing.
yeah.
That's why they
With
say
your little helmets. Google rugby. That's a man's sport.
That's what I never understood. Right?
Jesus
The
Christ.
world champion. How can you be a world champion when you're the only country that plays this shit? You don't even play against Canada. Come on.
And no, Tom Brady, come on. Like I don't see how you can compare yourself to
Tom Brady, come
how,
on, my
how
guy.
that's a flex.
No,
Come on.
no.
Does he have money? His ex-wife is richer than him. So hey.
to where the bus stand back in my old days. Now I let the chain say you gotta took yours, maybe. Niggas talking Scarface, I'm not in real life. Is you fucking crazy? Is you fucking
Thing is, his lines are way more not believable than Drake's. You need to stop pretending like Drake. Like Drake is reaching, but come on, you can buy it. You can buy it.
Yeah, his image.
He probably has armed security or something. He always
yeah.
has. Yeah.
Travis Scott was having a fucking hissy fit when they called him ASAP. You remember that shit?
Yeah.
Like, ASAP, like, what the fuck? I'm like, The emotions are that high. I don't understand why he was like that. Oh, do they have beef or something with ASAP?
I don't know.
Because I don't get it.
niggas talking Scarface, I'm not.
You're not. You cried when kids died at your concert. You basically you cried. That's not Scarface shit. You did an interview.
Thing is,
bawling your eyes
if you
out.
want to be
It's
like
not
Tony
that
Montana, first of all, you need to snort about your coke. Number 2, you need to take out rivals and kill them and then own the territory. Number 3,
shit. Like Tory Lanez.
you're gonna have to shoot your best friend. Come on.
And Tory Lanez. Remember him? Yeah.
In real life, is you fucking crazy? Is you fucking crazy? Man, the club ain't been the same since we lost Mercedes. Man, that clique ain't been the same.
I will say this. Having the same ad-libs for every song is one of the laziest things I've ever seen.
Yeah, the quality, the song's quality just...
It dipped. Like Drake
Dipped.
had it at a certain level, then Travis came in and it
This is
dipped.
Drake's song. Drake should have put it in his album.
Do you know what you should do? You should clip his verse and put it out on his own. That's it.
Yeah, let that shit be the opening of this next album, the intro.
Since they lost the greatest, we outside with the army, so you need to. Them boys rolling all brown like they whipping gravy. Make a circus outside like it's Barnes Bailey. Vicky hanging on my side, it's like it's really hanging. She move her panties to the side, she want it raw and faded. Huh? Is you fucking crazy? Is you fucking crazy? Is you fucking crazy? Is you fucking crazy? Is you fucking crazy?
This is the hook.
Yeah.
Crazy? Is you fucking crazy?
We don't hate Travis Scott. Like, this shit is
I
lazy
kind
as
of
fuck.
like a bunch of his songs actually.
This shit is lazy as fuck.
But this song was not the one.
This shit is lazy as
I understand
fuck.
why people were so throwing it on Twitter saying this album is nonsense. I haven't listened to the album, I will say that, but I've heard 2 tracks and I'm not impressed. I'm very.
Yeah, this shit was lazy as fuck. Hey, man. Get it how you get it, I guess.
But in any case, like, subscribe. Please subscribe. We are on the road. I'm saying some fucking typical shit now. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We are currently on 32 or 33, somewhere there. Imagine.
100 is the goal right now.
No, 1,000. I'm calling it 1,000.
It's 33.
We're on the road to... Okay, you know what? Let's make it 500. On the road to 500. We need all the support we can get. Please like. Please suggest any video you'd like us to react to. And we will gladly react and give an honest opinion. Unbiased.
Our opinion.
Unbiased.
So our words are not gospel. You don't have to hate because we...
No,
trash
please
the
hate.
artists.
Please hate. I love it when you hate. Make sure you don't internalize
Make sure
the
you
hate.
add. Make sure you add that shit so it's more direct. In the comment section, just add it.
Ngisabi-ke
Just
mina.
add it.
I'm not scared of shit. Ngiyinsizwa-ke. Write it in the comments. Don't internalize the hate. Write it in the comments. I want you to write it in the comments.
I'm a good guy.
And I'm here to fuck shit up. Arr. Yeah. Write it in the comments. Any thoughts, ideas, give me your opinion and suggest anything you'd like us to react to. And see you on the next one tomorrow. We drop every single day tomorrow.
Cool.